Did you know someone could be tracking your location without you knowing? Your Android phone can detect hidden or unknown trackers like AirTags. In this video, I'll show you how to scan and protect your privacy. So let's get started. Open System Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and find Google Account Service Management option. Click All Services. Scroll down and find Unknown Tracker Alerts option. Turn on Unknown Tracker Alerts. You can scan manually if you want. Click Scan Now. If there are any trackers around, you can see them here. Thanks for watching.